Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the exact audio on YouTube and deciding the clip length. This matters because Instagram Story Music accepts short segments. Open the YouTube app or YouTube Music and cue the video to the start time you noted. Once done, enable Do Not Disturb to avoid interruptions while recording. Make sure Instagram is updated and you know whether you'll screen record or link through stickers. These choices determine the next steps and how clean the final audio will sound. Now capture the audio by recording the YouTube playback. If your phone's screen recorder records internal audio, use it. Otherwise, use a reliable third-party recorder that captures system sound. Start recording, play the clip from the timestamp you set, then stop at the endpoint you want. Once recorded, trim the clip to the story length you prefer. Instagram stories accept up to 15 seconds per slide, so make sure the saved file is clean and clipped accurately for easy import. Finish by importing the trimmed video into Instagram Story. Swipe up, select the file, then use the sticker and text tools to position visuals. Make sure to adjust the clip's volume and trim within Instagram if needed, and preview the story before posting. If the audio is muted or low, make sure Instagram has microphone permission, system audio recording was enabled, and your phone's media volume is up. If problems persist, re-record with a different recorder, or use the native YouTube music track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.